Trading profitably on MetaTrader 4. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. In today's Forex training, I'm going to show you how to use TMA band indicator profitably on a daily basis. This is good for any type of trading, either scalping, inter-trading, or you are intraday trader rather, or a swing trader. All depends on how you want to trade this particular strategy. I have only two indicators on my chart. This is simple, and this is meant for MetaTrader 4 platform. Now let me show you how you use this profitably. Number one thing you have to look out for is to check higher time frame. Now if you are familiar with my channel, you find out that I normally scalp when I have time to sit in front of my system. What I do is to check higher time frame, especially I do check 30 minutes since I'm going to scalp on lower time frame, either 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame on MetaTrader 4. So here on 30-minute time frame, we have this arrow showing on our chart, this white arrow on 30-minute time frame. And what I'm going to do is to go back to 1 minute time frame to see this particular arrow on 1 minute time frame. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to demarcate where we have the signal on 30 minutes. Then I'll go back to lower time frame to trade this particular signal. Now let's move back to 1 minute 5 minute time frame. Let's check it out on 5 minute time frame. Let's move back and see where we have this particular demarcation that I did on 30-minute time frame. Now here is where we have it on the 5 minutes. This is the line, this red line that I demarcated on 30 minutes time frame. Now the only trade I'm going to take now is sell, because we've established that on higher time frame, on 30-minute time frame, that the trend is actually down. So I will look for the same arrow on 5 minute time frame and only trade in that direction. Here is a sell arrow here. Then I'm going to take this trade. My take profit will be the lower band. Here is another sell signal here, and it did deliver well. We have a buy arrow here. We are not going to take this buy. We ignore it because we know on higher time frame the trend is down. So let's look. So we have like 1, 2, 3. We have 3 set trade here on this chart, and it did all the 3 trades that we took based on this higher time frame on 30 minutes that we took on the 5 minute time frame. It did deliver. And if you would like to scalp on a lower time frame, this is Great Britain's Japanese yen, we still do the same thing. Let's go back to where we have the demarcation on 1 minute time frame. On lower time frame, 1 minute, I want to check that out. Okay, this is where we have it. As I said, we have 2 indicators. I have 2 indicators on my chart. This is where we have it on the 1 minute time frame, the demarcation from 30 minutes. So the first trade, we are going to take this. Here is another opportunity to enter that particular sell, and it did deliver. Let's move front a bit. Here we have another sell. It did deliver. Now let's move forward a bit. Here we have another sell here. We have another sell here. At this particular point, we have another sell here. We have another sell here before the market closed. This is how to use this particular strategy. It did work well. When you check the trend on higher time frame, then you decide to scalp on lower time frame. On 1 minute, we've taken a lot of trade in the direction of this 30-minute trend, and it did deliver. So you can use this particular strategy on any page you want. Just make sure you check it out and see if it works well with our particular pairs. This indicator does not repaint, just allow the candle to close. Now let's check it on another pairs. This is Great Britain's Japanese yen. Let's check another pairs. Now let's check it on 30-minute time frame. This is Euro USD, and this is where we have the arrow on 30 minutes. So let's go back to 5-minute time frame and see the signal that we will take based on this particular 30 minutes time frame. Here is where we have it on the 5-minute time frame. Then you are going to take your first trade will be taken here with this second indicator, and it did deliver. So let's move on. Here we have another sell arrow here. So, and it did deliver. And again, let's move on. We have another sell arrow here, though it went up a bit, but it still delivered. So I will tell you how I trade this if you do not want to use a stop loss. So we've checked it on the 2 pairs now, Euro USD, Great Britain pounds. Let's check it on gold before I show you how I trade this if you do not want to use a stop loss. So let's go back to 30 minutes on the gold. On gold we have the current signal was generated here. Then go back to 5 minutes time frame to only trade in the direction of this signal. This is where we have it on 5 minutes time frame. This is where we have the demarcation. So the first trade you are going to take, you're going to use this particular this must touch the upper band. If you take this at this particular point, let's assume you even take this, it went up a bit, then we have another arrow still telling us it's down. Since we know the direction is down on the higher time frame, it did delivered. Now let's check, let's move forward a bit and see other sales. So that was the only sell we have when the signal was generated on 30 minutes. But let's go back to 1 minute. We'll be able to take a lot of a trade on 1 minute. Let's cap on 1 minute time frame. So we'll be able to take a lot of trade using this on 1 minute time frame on gold. So this is where we have it on 1 minute time frame. We have this on 1 minute time frame. So let's look out for the next signal that was generated on lower time frame. So we have the first signal generated here on 1 minute time frame. It did deliver. This was the second one. And it did deliver. We have the third one, it did deliver. The fourth one delivered. The fifth one delivered. The sixth trade sell delivered. The seventh. We have a lot of opportunity to scalp on 1 minute time frame, as you can see, and all did delivered on the 1 minute time frame. They did deliver. they did deliver. As you can see, we have more than 30 or 20 trades taken on 1 minute time frame and all delivered using this particular strategy. Now, as I said, let me tell you how I use it. Since I know the direction is down on the higher time frame, 30 minutes, on 1 minute or 5 minutes, I don't use a stop loss. And the reason is this: I have my own stop loss. The stop loss is in my mind. When my market or the trade, the running trade, is like 3% or 5% of my capital, I'm going to close that particular trade, and this will really hit even 2% drawdown if you follow money management. The fact that it's delivered does not mean you should use 100% of your capital to trade this particular strategy. Just make sure you follow money management. You might use 1% of your account to trade, 2%. It depends on your risk level. It is better that you grow your account consistently when you are trading financial market. This can be used, as I've shown you, it can be used on any pairs, on gold, US30, on Nasdaq, on Great Britain pounds. Any pairs you want to trade, you can use this to trade stocks if you have it on MetaTrader 4. I have included my template in the video description. The links to download the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description, and I did include my template so that you have the same setting like mine. So what I use is just a TMA indicators. These are the settings, and the second indicator is still the same TMA indicator with additional setting and the symbol changer. Just check it out. The download link is in my video description. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of good forex broker outside there. Make sure you check my video links, the video description. I did recommend some forex brokers that I have tested and I'm still using till now, and I do not have any issue trading on that particular platform. Make sure you check the download the video description to get the download links or the links to open any account with any forex brokers that you like or that is regulated in your area. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. Now I do coding. If you have any strategy you will want me to turn to indicators, you have a strategy and you want me to turn into indicator to code it, just give me the idea. You can chat me up. My Telegram link is in the video description also. Just chat me up and I will code it for you. If you want to code EA, you want to turn your indicator, your strategy to automated trading, you want to turn into expert advisor, you want to turn into EA, just make sure you chat me here and let me see if I can code that for you. But it is not free, it comes with a charge. Make sure you chat me up and I'm going to do that for you. Till I come your way again, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do not forget to give me a thumb up. Bye for now.